Orúkọ mi ni Qeen Lateefah Adébáyọ̀ Ọlásùnbọ̀, aka Sisi Olóṣó. I'm the producer of these two movies, Sisi Olóṣó, Woro-Si-Woro, Alhaja. So we're doing the movie premiere today. Let me first give my gratitude to Almighty God, so jẹ́ kí irú ọjọ́ òní wáyé, and to my both parents, my mom and dad, my late mom and my dad, my family, everyone, my mother-in-law. So I'm so glad to see them today, and I'm honored. Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn gan pé oníṣojú mi wọ́n dúró 5 minutes fún mi ní ọjọ́ òní. I'm so happy. So gbogbo àwọn aládùúró tì mí from the beginning, because I did it too last 2 months ní Abẹ́òkúta. Gbogbo àwọn aládùúró tì mí from day 1 till date. Engineer Olúrántí Dámilọ́lá, Neyo, Club The Rock General, Topside, SSD, and the other guys too. So I'm so glad they stood by me till tonight. And my movies director, Siro Makanaki, Wale Razak, my PM, Femi Obimodede, Femi Sholaja, Lekan Latunji, gbogbo àwọn actors mi tó wá, Alhaji Oga Bello, Madam Saje, Itele the Icon, Debbie Shokoya, Fẹ́rànmi Oyalowo, Fathia Ige, and my crew.
You're watching GboahTv. Kindly click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so you get notified when we drop new videos. Thank you.
And my best friend, Feishara Estina, she also stood by me too from beginning till tonight. So somebody kí ni best aṣọ tó yẹ kí ẹ̀dá wọ̀ èèyàn. So àwọn èèyàn mi wọ́n dúró tì mí gan. I'm so glad. Inú mi ń dùn. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé mo dá ọjọ́ ó pé. I'm so glad. And my other people too, that they were not able to meet up, don't they send owó sí mi. My regards to you people too. Jojo, Shola USA, all my people, fans home and abroad. Thank you so much. Tẹ fowó ránṣẹ́ sí mi fún production mi. Prince, thank you so much.
Okay, my name is Temitope Adedeji. People call me Topside. I'm the CEO Club The Rock, Palm Small, Ibadan. We are here for the premiere of my very good sister and friend movie premiere, Woro-Si-Woro and Alhaja ScilatJoin. I've known her for a very long time, for years now. She has been one of the most talented and hardworking actresses in Nigeria. I've watched so many of her movies, but this very one, I think is kind of fantastic and different from what I've been seeing. I will employ and advise everybody around to please watch the movie once they are out, with the kind of actors that she actually showcased on that movie. And the storyline she actually narrated to me, I think it's going to be one of the best movies that comes out of Nigeria in year 2021. Please, I will employ everybody and plead for everybody to try and watch the movie. So let me say it in our own language too. Woro-Si-Woro and Alhaja ScilatJoin is a movie produced by my dear sister and friend, Oremini, sister Mituni, Sumbo. Ó ti ṣe movie láìmọye ìgbà, but méjì tó yẹ kó jáde yìí, ó tún yàtọ̀ sí àwọn tí a ti ń wò tẹ́lẹ̀, pẹ̀lú àwọn òṣèré tí wọ́n kópa ń bẹ̀ àti production tí mo ń wò lórí nǹkan tí a rí lè ní. Mo rọ gbogbo wa pé ká try ká support ẹ̀ tó bá ti jáde. Èmi náà máa lo gbogbo agbára tí máa lè lò láti lè bá publicize àti jẹ́ ká everybody lè wò. So I'm so happy to associate with her. She's a very hardworking young lady and very devoted. She has come a long way and she's doing fine for herself. I pray this one will be one of the most best-selling movie in Nigeria, by God's grace. Thank you. My name is Tope Adedeji, aka Topside, CEO Club The Rock. Once again, thanks.